If you're hoping to learn more about the tongue jack organizer, well, you are in luck.
If you watched our 10 gifts under $50 video like our mother did and got the GR Innovations tongue jack organizer for Christmas, we're going to show you how to put that on your camper right now.
He's Kevin.
And she's Amy.
And we're
Camping Companions. We suggested the tongue jack organizer kit in our 10 gifts under $50 video this Christmas, which you can catch right here in case you missed it. GR Innovations, made in the USA. The packaging that it came in is a little rough. The bag is ripped open. The paperwork inside is torn and However, the unit itself is all in one piece. It is plastic, so I mean, it's hard to mess that up. So hopefully, if you ordered one as well, your unit is in good shape, just like ours is. All you need for the installation is the apparatus itself and a Phillips head screwdriver.
Here, I have one of those.
Just like this one. It comes together, so all you need to do is unscrew it. Again, Phillips head screwdriver. There's 2 screws. Just get them loose so you can hopefully thread them out with your fingers. There we go. And the second one. And you should be ready to put it on your tongue jack. They're long screws. It'll accommodate 1 7/8 inch and 2-inch barrels on your jack. Now that you have it apart into 2 pieces, the big piece goes in the front, the small piece goes in the back, just like so. What I would suggest is putting the screws back inside the barrel in the front here, so they stick out the back. That way you can line them up when you put them together. Get each screw started. Clear away any cords or chains. We have our power tongue jack cord in the middle here. So make sure you don't clamp that together while you're screwing this in. Do a few screw turns each side. So that way you'll tighten it equally on both sides. Get this kind of positioned where you want it. I think I'm gonna go up a little bit here to just underneath. I like the way that looks. So again, give it a few screw turns. The direction sheet does specify that every so often, just make sure that everything's tight. While you're driving down the road, things will loosen up, things will move around. You don't want this to fall off. Not something you want to see bouncing down the highway behind you. The screws are stainless, which is nice. There's a little bit of a gap in between the front and the back piece. So having that be stainless will mean that it won't rust and corrode. And again, the front piece is plastic, but the back piece is metal. So it's very sturdy. I just got a few screw turns in there and it's not going anywhere. So now is the fun part. You get to hook everything up. So you no longer need your screwdriver. You have your different bits and dangles here.
Bits and dangles.
Bits and dangles. I just realized that our power is on this side and the holder for it is on the opposite end. So I'm going to flip it upside down to make it so it's on the correct side. And because you were so attentive and watch me do this, you already know steps 1 and 2. Give each side an equal amount of screw turns, so it's not one side tighter than the other, because you don't, again, want to lose these screws as you're driving down the road. That should do you. No longer need the screwdriver again. And now you can put everything on. So we have our safety chains, which clip in and they don't fall off even though we're not moving. We've got our power, which goes right here. And we have our brake cable, which apparently one of these is going to have to cross over the other one. It goes right like so. And there you have it. Everything is off the ground, out of the way. It's convenient. You know where everything is. And for the plug, it does come with a cap and a little elastic band. So you can put that on top, cover the plug. Okay, it's very snug, which is what you want. It tells you in the directions that you put it in warm water, so it gives it a little bit of a give. Every plug is going to be a little bit different size, slightly. So this one doesn't quite go onto ours. So I'm going to take this inside and put it in some warm water. There we have it. Soak it in hot water for a few minutes. It does take a little oomph to get it on there, but it does stretch it out just enough to keep you covered. Put that on your holder, and there we go. Installed trailer jack organizer. So far so good. It seems to be made of good quality plastic. Like, again, it is plastic. Although it's sturdy, it holds everything nice and snug. The safety chains clip on there as opposed to just resting in there, so they're not going to come out. I like it. I'm happy we got it. Thank you, Mom. And we're going to report back come the spring when we actually get to use it while we're at the campsite, and we can follow up with you from there. Did you like this video? Give us that thumbs up. Give us a comment below. Have you used one of these before? Is there a different one that you prefer? So far, we like this one a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. You can be alerted to all of our videos every week, and happy camping.